Night vision glasses to me? Oh, some night vision glasses.
Show it the camera. Spy gear?
Spy gear?
Hmm.
Now I'm a spy.
That's what you want to be?
Yeah. So I can see the bad guys at night.
You sure about that?
Yeah. Okay. Can I open it, Mom?
Well, you already opened it.
I mean,
You
inside.
can't wait Christmas, so you're already open it.
Beep. Can't open it.
What do you need to say?
Thank you, Grandpa Lloyd and Grandma Jackie.